My fellow seniors, please listen closely because this will make all the difference for your sleep health and vitality. Have you noticed it's getting harder to sleep through the night? If you're tired of tossing and turning, this could be life-changing. Seniors, stop waking at night. 4 drinks that help you sleep. These drinks are surprisingly effective. Today, I'm going to share 5 doctor-approved bedtime drinks that can calm your body, nourish your brain, and help you finally sleep peacefully through the night. Stay with me because even adding just one of these into your evening routine could make a big difference in how rested and refreshed you feel tomorrow morning. One of them acts like an overnight shield against bathroom trips. Another eases sore joints so you wake up refreshed. And there's one common drink mistake almost every senior makes that silently robs them of their deepest rest.
Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share the exact timing rule for evening drinks that can instantly transform your nights. And if you value your independence and better sleep after 60, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and comment rested below, because this is the best senior health channel for stronger bodies and deeper sleep.
Hey there, Andy here, and welcome to your trusted, simple senior health. Let's begin with Margaret, a 71-year-old who had accepted broken sleep as her new normal. Twice, sometimes 3 times each night, she was awake, usually heading to the bathroom. She blamed her age, her mattress, even her evening TV. But when I asked about her bedtime routine, one detail stood out. Half an hour before bed, she always drank a full glass of water. She thought it would prevent cramps. Instead, it was overworking her bladder. As we age, our bodies produce less vasopressin, the hormone that helps hold water overnight. Without it, your bladder fills faster, waking you. We made one small change. Instead of water, Margaret sipped half a cup of warm almond milk with a sprinkle of cinnamon about an hour before bed. If you often wake to use the bathroom, swap that last glass of water for a calming, nutrient-rich drink. Margaret's story proves something remarkable. Sometimes the simplest natural solutions can restore what we thought was lost forever.
You're not broken. Your body is simply asking for the right kind of hydration at the right time. With just a gentle adjustment, you can give it exactly what it needs to rest and recover. But almond milk isn't the only solution. Let's look at another drink that's been used for centuries to calm the mind.
Let me share Antonio's story with you. Age 75, shared with me that he woke up around 3 o'clock every single morning. For years, he believed it was simply genetics. After all, his father had the very same pattern. But when I looked closer, I found his evening included soda at dinner and water right before bed. The sugar and caffeine spiked his system, and the water pushed his bladder into overdrive. That's why he was being jolted awake, first by chemistry, then by urgency. We replaced his soda with sparkling water and lemon at dinner. Then, instead of water at night, he drank chamomile tea an hour before bed. Chamomile tea contains apigenin, a natural compound that helps your brain relax into sleep. And don't worry, it's completely gentle, safe, and 100% caffeine-free. Antonio's story is a reminder of something powerful. Sometimes the patterns we think we've inherited aren't destiny at all. They're simply habits waiting to be reshaped.
Now let's look at a golden drink that not only supports sleep, but also eases stiff joints that can keep you awake.
So far, we've seen how almond milk helped Margaret finally sleep through the night, and how chamomile tea gently calmed Antonio's restless mind. From these 2 stories, we see how small, natural choices can truly transform sleep and energy. And this is exactly what we do here. We share practical, science-backed health tips designed for seniors who want to stay strong, independent, and well-rested. So, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and comment rested below. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs better sleep tonight. Let me reassure you, you're not alone. Thousands of seniors are already seeing real results just by making these small, gentle changes. Now let's move on to the 3rd drink, a soothing golden remedy that fights inflammation and restores deep rest. Let me tell you about Elena. She had been waking up around 3 in the morning for more than 10 years. She tried all kinds of herbal teas, hoping for relief, but many of them had hidden sugars or mild stimulant that only made things worse. Her biggest struggle wasn't just waking up, it was staying awake for hours afterward, her mind racing. We switched her evening drink to golden milk, oat milk warmed with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric lowers inflammation, while warm milk proteins help your nervous system calm down. Within weeks, Elena reported something remarkable: less joint pain and deeper, uninterrupted sleep. If nighttime aches keep you up, try golden milk about an hour before bed. It's simple, it's gentle, and it just might be the missing missing piece your body has been quietly asking for. Now let's look at a hydrating option that supports your nerves and keeps your body balanced overnight. Robert used to laugh that he must be cursed. No matter what he tried, he'd always find himself awake at 3 a.m. every night. Sprays, apps, new pillows, nothing worked. When I asked about his evening routine, he admitted, "Of course, I drink a big glass of water before bed. I'm always thirsty after dinner." That habit was the trap. As we get older, drinking water too late overwhelms the bladder. But instead of removing water entirely, the key is timing and type. Robert swapped his glass of water for a small cup of warm gelatin water about an hour earlier, then added a short walk after dinner. Gelatin is rich in glycine, an amino acid that signals your brain to enter slow-wave sleep, the deepest, most restorative stage. Robert had almost given up, convinced he was cursed, but with just a few simple changes, we were able to help him transform his nights and reclaim restful sleep.
Reassuring. Let me reassure you. The best part is, you don't need costly supplements or complicated routines. Just a simple cup can bring comfort, calm, and real change. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review all 5 bedtime drinks that help seniors finally sleep through the night.
My friends, what you've learned today has the power to change your life. These are not just tips or tricks, but gentle reminders that your body can still heal, still restore itself, and still gift you peaceful nights. Almond milk with cinnamon calmed Margaret's bladder, golden milk soothed Elena's joints and nerves, and gelatin water helped Robert finally sleep through the night. These aren't magic pills, they're everyday drinks hiding in plain sight, ready to restore your rest and energy. If this message resonated with you, take action right now. Hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and comment "rested" below. And please share this with a friend. You might give them the gift of a full night's sleep. If you've been searching for real answers, your next step is just one video away.
Seniors, stop drinking plain coffee. One hidden ingredient transforms it into medicine. You'll discover how to turn your morning habit into a powerful tool for brain and heart protection. How one simple addition can turn your daily cup into real fuel for your body and mind. These aren't just videos. They're your continuing path towards strength, clarity, and independence. Remember, growing older doesn't mean giving up peaceful nights. It simply means your body is asking for gentler care. Your mornings can feel lighter, your days more joyful, and your independence stronger than ever. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and until next time, may your nights be peaceful and your mornings bright.
Now, go live your golden years truly, with all this new, useful information you have learned today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and most important, stay youthful, and I will see you in the next video.